LG 420 liters 4-star frost-free double-door refrigerator GL-I472QPZX.DPZZEBN shiny steel inverter compressor. Frost-free, double-door, auto defrost to stop ice build-up. Capacity 420 liters, suitable for families with 5 or more members. Warranty, 1 year on product, 10 years on compressor. Energy rating, 4-star. Inverter compressor, energy efficient, less noise and more durable. Shelf type, toughened glass. Also included in the box, user manual, warranty card. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.